Okay, I'm starting with this here. This is Wednesday, November 12th, 11:52 a.m. Okay, and start with this one. Give you a bit of, anyway, just a bit of, I don't know, history. There we go. Okay, so I'll start this in a moment. That's the, anyway. So here, I started with this model here way back when. I didn't know I had this, and I rebuilt it. Took all the stuff out of the speakers here so you can see the speakers because it has a foam in the front. And then I got this one here from Japan, okay? And then I didn't even know that they had a model that had a CD player. And they had a model in between that has double cassette. This only has one cassette. The double cassette is similar to this, just has they moved the equalizer on top. Alright. But then I saw this model. Let's see, if I have to sit down on the bed, I guess, to show this. Alright, so let's sit down on the bed. Alright, well, it's not real good, but okay, so I saw this here, and the reason why I got this, because this guy actually worked on it. So CD player works like that, and then yes, he actually replaced a lot of capacitors in it. There's the description, and there's that, and then I bid on it. I put that bid 10 minutes to go, and somebody bid it up to that, and I won it for that. So that's my story there. So go back to there. Okay, now I'm going to put you back on the thing here. Put you back here. That's 2 minutes. So there's, like I said, that one. There's the one I'm going to unbox right there. Okay, so I'm going to put this here. Do the same thing with the other thing, but you can watch me do that. All right, so now let's hit this button. Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're live. Yay! All right, so I'm going to take this out of the tripod. Okay. I just shot a video with that there. All right. There's the one that I'm going to unbox. This one I got a long time ago. Didn't know I had it. And then I found that they sold these in Japan, so I got this one and another one. And then I didn't even know they had, then they have a model which I'll get later on that has similar to this, got an equalizer, it's got dual cassettes, put the equalizer on top, similar to this, just a little bit different. So, but I haven't gotten that yet. And then I just want to show, this is, alright, so now, this is what I found in, over there. Alright, so, pictures. The reason why I got this is because this person actually rebuilt it from the inside, okay? Slow connection, darn. Right, like I said, okay. Got that. Works, CD player, cassette. There's that. This person actually rebuilt it with all new capacitors, so I was really thrilled about that. Then here's the description of it. And then here that's the history of it. And then I bid on it. I only put one price on there. And someone bid it up there, and that was it. I won. Yay. Okay, so now I'll put you back to over here. I got a backup video because this Facebook video will go away in 30 days. So, and I already did the same thing I just showed you here with the YouTube camera, so I won't lose this. Okay, so now, like I said, there's those two. So let me just put these. I'd plug them in and play them, but I haven't got time to do all that. So here, okay, so I've got a CD, I've got a cassette, I can see me, wait, can I see me on this one? Yeah, let me just put it, okay, there. Well, so you know over here we've got, alright, anyway, so much for that. Alright, so, okay, without further ado, I've got a, let's see, do I have a, okay, that's trash. I need a power cord. Handy. I need? Yeah, I've got the service manual for the motorcycle. Anyway, okay. Forgot to get a power cord. Gosh, is this one? That'll work. Okay, great. So let's get the box. And okay. Oh golly! All right. So yeah, it's packed really well. I'm happy about that because when you work on something, you want anyway. So packed it well enough to survive getting over here, so I'm pretty satisfied. I hope that this will be not damaged in any way. And because if you spend all this time replacing capacitors and everything, you should at least package it well enough to be shipped to wherever. And this was the only sale he had. He didn't have a whole bunch of other things for sale, so... Oh, we got a power cord. It's a figure 8. Hopefully, I don't need a figure 8, but... So there's that. Here's this. Okay, well this is different. Alright, so let's just get this out of here. Okay, nothing else in the box, just the bubble wrap here. Okay. So, here we go. Okay, so scissors. Nice. Yep. Oh wow, this is, well that's interesting. The mixing mic got pulled over to the side. That got pulled over, so I wonder if that's just jumbled from the inside. Hopefully that's easy. Okay. Well, alright, so you can see it as I see it right there, right? So, okay, so how do you turn this? It does have a power button. It's on, okay, on, off. Alright, so, right, great. So now I'll put this down here. Alright, and then get my hopefully plugged in power cord. And, okay, it just takes a square power plug, so don't need the figure 8. It's probably what he used, but there we go. So now we got that. And it's already showing 12 o'clock on here. Power. We've got a humming sound. Let's see here. Got to select a source, right? So main, okay, main sub, all that. So that should be AM. Let's see here. We need to select a source. Ah, it's on CD. Line in.
What's the deal?
Radio works. The VHF, well, who cares? Ultra high frequency TV stuff, I don't care. AM.
CBS News, the White House.
Several law enforcement agencies rounded up 21 documented...
Okay, so we put it on tape. Where's my tape? I have a tape here. So here's a tape. Alright. Tape. My demonstration tape. And let me... oh! Okay, so eject. Great. So, okay, so... Right here, let me do it like this. Okay, let you see it. Alright, so eject is there. Throw this in. This has got music on both sides, and this has been broken off, so it should be a good tape. Alright, hit play. That's playing right. Let's see, where's volume? Hit. CD. So now it should be spinning. Well, let's see here. Let me see it for me, because oh, it is spinning now. All right, and guess we have to hit play to learn how to use this. Wow! Oh yeah. That doesn't like to be tapped. Okay. Oops. Not. That's channel 2. Channel 3. 4. This is a keeper. It's definitely a keeper. Oops, except for that you can't tap it. This has got a speaker in the back here. Okay, it's got a speaker in the back. It has a labyrinth where the bass goes through, and then it comes out port on the front here. It doesn't like that being tapped. Okay, so that comes out both sides. Comes out this side and this side. Let's see here. It doesn't like being touched. Wow. Okay. Was it number 2? Yeah, number 2. Oh, I went backwards. Wait. Okay. Well, it's hard to show how that works, but it doesn't like being tapped. That's about the only downside to the CD player. Okay, but see here, so hit play. Hello. All right, well, let me just stop this and thumbs home. Okay, well, I've had fun. All right. So, well, here it is. Yeah. All right, so it works really good. This is a keeper. And we're just going to let y'all go. Got these controls here. This is very clean. Is that button. Okay, so you heard it playing, and it's got auto reverse on the cassette deck, and then it's got, let's see here, all these controls in the back here. It takes 8D batteries that go in the bottom compartment here. Where's the Okay, guys, that's up here. Let me just unplug this. All right. I'll let you see what they actually call it. All right. Oh, that's really tiny. Well, don't know if you can see that there, but that's what this is. Okay, so yep, that's it. So 15 minutes. Takes 3 AA batteries for the memory function feature. Okay, and this will be a shelf queen for sure. And definitely have to put a cover on it to keep the dust out of it. Alright, that's all I know. Hopefully you enjoyed. You need to find one of these for yourself. Like I said, he put all new capacitors in this, and so it all works great. Gotta go. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.